Hello my dear students, only 45 days are left for our board exams and we are also preparing for the NEET 2026. So in this video, I am going to tell you what should be our strategy for the NEET as well as for the boards. Means how we can sync our preparation of NEET with the preparation of boards. So first thing that we have to remember that in boards, we have to write the exam in theoretical manner. That means we have to write each and every question in explanatory way. And for this, we have to build a strong concept on NCERT. As a part of the strategy, I would like to suggest that we have to reduce our focus on 11th NCERT till our board exams, and after board exam, we will resume our focus on 11th NCERT or 11th syllabus. Second thing, it is also a part of a strategy. In your daily timetable, we must include the additional subjects like English and other optional subjects. Now, if we want to make a timetable, then we have to allocate 1 hour for the additional subject, that is English or any other optional subjects, and 7 hours for the core subjects. The core subjects are physics, chemistry and biology. So, first of all, before starting the study, I would like to tell you, just take a copy and a pen with you so that we do not miss any point that I will tell you in this video. So in the copy, we have to make 3 tables. One table is for physics, one table is for chemistry and one table is for biology. In the physics table, we have to make 5 columns and 5 in all other tables also. The 5 columns include, the first column will be for the name of the chapters, the second column is for the NCERT reading, the third column is for NCERT exercise, and fourth and fifth column is for revision 1 and revision 2. Now let's talk about the physics. In physics there are 14 chapters. Just write the name of the 14 chapters in your first column. Then start reading NCERT chapter by chapter, starting from the chapter which you think that this chapter is easy. For example, that unit of modern physics, which include 4 chapters, are easy for every student because this unit is totally theoretical and directly NCERT based questions come in both NEET as well as in CBSE boards. And you can also practice questions from PYQ, that is equally good for NEET as well as for the boards, because the board is also going to ask MCQs and assertion reason questions. When you will read the NCERT, we will use the strategy of CDF. CDF means concept, definition and formula. We have to write the definition each and every subtopics and we have to derive the formula. We have to write the key concept about that topic. So it will boost your confidence, it will boost your preparation, because writing is a best method of learning. You cannot memorize all the things only by reading. To memorize it strongly, we have to write the things, and the writing will also clear your concept, which is very essential for solving assertion reason questions which are going to be asked by both NEET as well as by CBSE boards. So once you complete the reading work along with the writing, then just put a tick in the second column, that is NCERT reading. Now, we will solve all the illustrations which are given in NCERT along with the back exercise questions. But remember this, here we have to write the answers in such a way that we are going to write it in the board's exams. After this, we will mark a tick in the second column. Then we will solve the PYQs of the NEET exam, that is objective questions or MCQs. These MCQs will help you to clear your concepts and it will also enhance your preparation level for the NEET exam. After the solving NEET MCQs, we will put a tick mark in the revision 1. Now it's the time for chemistry. There are 10 chapters in the chemistry. Some chapters are from inorganic, some from physical and some from organic. Actually, most of the organic is given in class 12th syllabus. So, first of all, we will start with the inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry have one very important chapter, that is coordination compounds. Coordination compound is equally important for board as well as for the NEET, because 3 types of questions are asked by NEET in coordination compound. One is the nomenclature of coordination compound, second is isomerism in coordination compound, and third is finding out the oxidation number in the central atom of the coordination compound. So it is very important because every year NEET asks at least 2 or 3 questions from this chapter. Now coming to the physical chemistry, the physical chemistry includes solution, chemical, kinetics like chapters, and these chapters are also very important and numerical based. To prepare these chapters, we will follow the strategy that I have suggested you for the physics. Now coming for the longest part, that is organic chemistry. The organic chemistry can be learned only by writing. You have to write the name reactions again and again or multiple times till it is memorized in your mind. The name reactions are very much important for boards as well as for the NEET exam, because every year NTA asks at least 2 to 3 name reaction in the NEET exam. After doing this, we will put a tick mark in the NCERT theory. Then we will solve in-text questions, that is the questions given in NCERT theory as well as the back exercise question. We will write the explanatory answers of all the questions so that it will also boost your confidence, clear your concept, and it will also help to prepare your assertion reason. After this, we will solve the NEET PYQs. It will also clear your concepts about the organic chemistry, physical or inorganic chemistry. Now coming to the last segment, that is biology. The biology subject include 13 chapters. We have to find out the chapters which are very small, like the chapters of reproductive health, microbes in human welfare and ecosystem are very small chapter. You can complete it in just 2 hours. After the completing these chapters, here also we will write the explanatory answers so that our concept get cleared and everything come in our mind. Then after that, we will solve the back exercise question and finally we will solve the PYQs. And after completing the small chapters, we will move to the longer chapters like 2 chapters of the biotechnology. Finally, we will move for the little longer chapters, that is sexual reproduction in flowering plants, human reproduction, evolution, human health and diseases, and the chapters of genetics. The chapters of genetics we will take at last because these are very lengthy chapters and we have to solve many numerical problems from these chapters. These chapters are very much important for NEET as well as for the boards. As in NEET, you are going to get at least 8 to 10 questions from the genetics unit. We can also divide the genetics unit into micro topics or subtopics, like take an example of principle of inheritance and variation. This chapter includes topics like Mendel's law of inheritance, incomplete dominance, codominance, pleiotropy, multiple alleles. So we will make the list of these micro topics, and as we complete each and every micro topic, we will put a tick mark on these so that we are able to acknowledge that we know these topics very clearly. And we also have to make short notes about all short topics that are given in NCERT. So after completing the NCERT portion in biology also, we will solve the NEET PYQs. So in the total timetable, we will allocate 3 hours for the physics, 2 hours for the chemistry and 2 hours for the biology. So 7 hours is for the core subject and 1 hour for the additional subjects, that is English and the second elective subject. Now we will complete this entire process in 30 days. Now what about the next 15 days? In the last 15 days, we will focus more on the question practice rather than just reading the chapters. We will solve the sample papers of the CBSE boards, we will solve the previous year question papers of the CBSE board, and we will solve the previous year questions of the NEET. We will do it again and again till our board exam. So for the next 15 days, commit yourself that you are not going to waste your time in any other thing, rather you will focus on your studies, because the complete study of these 45 days will give you peace of mind during your final preparation of the NEET exam. In next 45 days, your preparation must be in such a way that after board exam, you do not need to panic about class 12th syllabus, rather we will focus more on the 11th syllabus. It will save your time, it will increase your performance in NEET exam. If any need, we are here to help you, to guide you further for the NEET exams. So all the best for your board as well as for the NEET exams. Thank you.